I was in the banking industry when I was still in the Philippines before. I was there for 8 years, I'd say. And then once I moved here in Canada, it's totally different thing that I was doing. I think I was doing like a lot of odd jobs until I decided to pursue a career. I didn't want to just have a job, I wanted to have a career. I chose ABM College because during that time I was looking for a college that has a very personalized type of learning. So I wanted to have like a small class where the instructors will be able to like focus on us learning. What I really like about the program is that we had a lot of hands-on experience. We have student clinic running that was open to the public, and that's probably helped us a lot with our confidence and developing our skills. So after finishing the program, there was an opportunity for me at the school clinic there. So for a clinic supervisor, and ABM being true to its word as education that gets you hired, so they actually hired me to be a clinic supervisor there in the school clinic. And then after a year, they offered me a teaching position in the college as well. And while I was doing this, I was still a massage therapy by profession outside of work. So, but I was offered a bigger role in the clinic that I was working as a therapist. Right now, I'm managing over 60 practitioners in 3 locations. Yeah, like being invited to as one of the speakers to the graduation was really an honor. I remember during our graduation, it wasn't that big. It was like a small ceremony that we have. So it speaks volumes of how, how the college had grown. A lot of our therapists that are working in our clinics are from ABM College, and I only have like good reviews for these people. They've been getting a lot of clients in the clinics because they are really skilled therapists. So if you want to be or if you want to improve as a massage therapist, I think ABM is a really, really good choice of school if you want to learn a lot as a massage therapist.